It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following: melatonin for dogs, uses, dosage and side effects. Melatonin is a sedative hormonal supplement used to treat many types of anxiety, hyperactivity, restlessness, and other conditions in dogs. It is a natural hormone produced by the pineal gland. Many pet owners prefer to use supplements for their dogs instead of medications that can contain more chemicals and have harmful side effects. You should not give it to your dog without first consulting your veterinarian, as it may react poorly with certain medications, worsen some medical conditions, and pose risks to pregnant dogs or puppies. Its side effects in dogs have not been extensively studied, although it is generally considered safe for dogs with a veterinarian's recommendation. Most owners report only rare and minimal side effects. Here's what you should know about the uses, dosage, and side effects of melatonin in dogs. 1. Uses of melatonin for dogs. Melatonin for dogs generally works as a sedative by supplementing the natural neurohormone produced by the pineal glands. It is often used to calm dogs that suffer from different types of anxiety, such as separation anxiety or noise anxiety caused by fireworks, storms, etc. Melatonin may possibly reduce phobias or panic. Some dogs have been completely cured of their fear of loud noises with the use of this supplement. However, it may not cure all dogs in all situations. Supplements can also be used to treat hyperactive dogs or dogs with epilepsy, and there is some evidence that they can treat certain types of alopecia. Some pet owners give melatonin to dogs to help them sleep at night, especially older dogs who may have disrupted their sleeping patterns. Canine cognitive dysfunction is a condition in dogs similar to Alzheimer's in humans and makes it difficult to sleep. Melatonin helps reduce restlessness and promote sleep, and its effects usually last about 8 hours. 2. Melatonin dosage for dogs. The appropriate dose of melatonin for your dog should be determined with the help of a veterinarian. Individual dogs may have different needs depending on the conditions being treated. Some veterinarians recommend introducing melatonin gradually and then increasing the dosage as needed. Always consult your veterinarian before giving your dog supplements or medications. The usual dose of melatonin for dogs depends on size. Dogs weighing less than 10 pounds should generally take 1 mg, dogs 10 to 25 pounds typically take 1.5 mg. For dogs 26 to 100 pounds, 3 mg is recommended. Dogs over 100 pounds can take 3 to 6 mg. You should not give these doses more than 3 times a day. Melatonin comes in tablets, capsules, powder, and liquid that can be given with or without food. It usually starts working 10 to 15 minutes after the dog takes it. The effects last about 8 hours if dogs take the correct dose. For this reason, pet owners often give it to their dogs immediately before bed to provide them with a full night's sleep. You can also purchase chewable melatonin supplements made specifically for dogs, but you should still talk to your veterinarian before giving it to your pet. 3. Side effects of melatonin in dogs. Few side effects of melatonin have been reported in dogs, as long as it is administered correctly and in the proper dosage. In fact, the lack of side effects makes it a more preferable option than tranquilizers or other drugs. Still, there are some side effects that you should pay attention to. Here I tell you some side effects that some dogs experience. Upset stomach and cramps. Tachycardia, high heart rate. Itching. Confusion. Fertility changes. You should always read the labels of melatonin products. Some contain other ingredients such as xylitol, an artificial sweetener that is toxic to dogs. Some medications can interact poorly with melatonin, and some medical conditions can be made worse by melatonin use. You should always discuss these things with your veterinarian before giving your dog supplements or medications. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.